Set in the rolling countryside of the Dordogne, this extraordinary 41-hectare estate offers a lifestyle defined by space, freedom, and connection to nature. From the moment you arrive, there's a sense of calm. Open fields stretch into the distance, woodland gently frames the landscape, and at the heart of it all sits a beautifully presented home designed for both comfort and style. The main house offers over 300 square meters of contemporary living space, with light-filled rooms, generous proportions, and a seamless flow between indoors and out. Spacious living areas invite you to relax, while multiple en-suite bedrooms create a sense of privacy and ease for both family and guests. Beyond the main residence, 2 guest houses open up a world of possibility, whether welcoming friends, hosting visitors, or creating a lifestyle business, subject to the necessary permissions. Outside, life unfolds at a slower pace. Long summer days can be spent beside the elegant swimming pool, complete with gentle waterfall features, or wandering through your own private land, from truffle orchards to woodland rich with seasonal mushrooms. A 1-hectare lake adds to the tranquility, offering a peaceful spot to pause and take in the surroundings. For equestrian enthusiasts, the estate is exceptionally well equipped, with indoor and outdoor arenas, multiple stables, and extensive pastureland, all ready to support a fully operational equestrian lifestyle. Whether it's morning rides through your own fields, evenings watching the sunset over the lake, or the opportunity to create something truly special, this is more than a home. It's a way of life. A rare and remarkable opportunity in the heart of the Dordogne. The end of a private driveway, surrounded by 3.5 hectares of rolling meadows and mature gardens, this beautifully restored stone home offers a lifestyle of peace, space, and understated elegance. Set within the countryside near Monflanquin, the property captures the essence of a Provençal farmhouse, where charm, warmth, and thoughtful design come together effortlessly. Step inside and you're welcomed by a sense of light and flow. The spacious kitchen opens into a relaxed dining area, creating the perfect setting for long, leisurely meals. Nearby, the living room offers a cozy retreat with direct access out to the terrace, ideal for embracing indoor-outdoor living throughout the seasons. With 5 bedrooms and multiple bathrooms, the main house provides generous accommodation for family and guests, while retaining a sense of intimacy and comfort. Character features, including a beautiful entrance hall with fireplace, add depth and authenticity to the home's design. Adjoining the property, an independent guest house opens up further possibilities. Whether hosting friends, welcoming family, or exploring rental potential, it offers its own private space while remaining connected to the main residence if desired. Outside, the setting truly comes into its own. A shaded seating area looks out across the surrounding countryside, with views stretching towards a nearby chateau, a constant reminder of the region's timeless beauty. The heated swimming pool, perfectly positioned within the landscape, becomes the focal point of summer days, a place to unwind, entertain, and simply enjoy the tranquility that surrounds you. With open space, natural beauty, and versatile living, this is more than just a home. It's a place to slow down, breathe deeply, and embrace life in the heart of Southwest France. A property that truly captures the imagination.